everyone, welcome back to another video. I know I haven't posted in a while, just haven't really been feeling up for it, I'll be honest. I have been poorly, Bonnie's been poorly, I've had just a lot of stuff going on, and I don't know, lacking motivation I guess, but I don't know, I've forced myself today to pick it up. Today is actually Monday, is my birthday. I'm 25 today. So yeah, I've got some jobs to need doing. I've had some issues with my pond. Hang on. Yeah, I've had some issues with my pond, and I need to sort out my my big fish tank. But actually I've got a new thing to show you guys. Let's go and look. Okay, so me and Max setting up this tank. We had to upgrade the filter system, and yeah, we've got some fish in here. So we've got, actually, well, this one is from the other little tank. We moved him because he's getting bigger. And then we've got, look at these two. We've got 3 loaches in here. There's 2 of them.
Very silly. Silly.
Yeah, look at him.
Yeah.
They're golden loaches, actually. And I can never seem to find the 3rd one. No, sometimes they're under this bridge or in the castle. Could be hiding anywhere. But yeah, so that's our cute little loach tank. Max built me this lid as well to go on top. It's not finished yet. I think we're gonna be painting it and stuff. But the sucking loach is cuddling the snail. So yeah, this is our new Tetra. We saw him in the shop, the same shop we bought the loaches, and he's got a deformity, as you can see, his back. I think he actually gave us him for free because we just, I don't know, we like looking after the poorly fish. He's not poorly though, he's still eating. He was just born like that. You know, all the other ones are just straight. But yeah, we thought it was so cute, the way he just kind of swims and bobs about. Okay, so basically, what we had set up, we had 2 boxes. Well, we originally just had the one, then we went to this one and that one, but we think this one is the reason for the leak. I don't know why, but the water keeps going down basically on the pond. So basically, my idea is just to redo this big one. So what I'm going to do is, as you can see it, a layer of alpha grog, then a layer of K1 filter media, then a layer of filter foam. Because before this was just all filled with K1, and that's why we did the 2, because this is just filled with stones and a plant. So I'm going to see what I can do anyway. Well, first I've got to try and take out this plant without damaging it. It's kind of root bounded already. It's in a pot, but yeah, well, let's get some of this grog out. It's a mixture of alpha grog. So if anyone doesn't know, this is alpha grog. So it's like porous stone, so all the good bacteria can stick to it. So I've got that, but I've also got this. It's like kind of like lava rock, I guess you'd call it. It's also the same, like, you know, porous. It's just smaller basically. The alpha grog is the most commonly used. So I had to ring up Max because I do know what I'm doing, but just to confirm, like, should I do this or not, you know? And he said, yeah, do. I got a layer of alpha grog and the stones, just a mixture, I guess. Then the K1, and then yeah. So let me try and get this plant out. Yeah, that was easy. I still want to use this plant, but we'll figure that out at the end. It's covered in stone, so. Okay. Yeah, because this is also planted in, all that lava rock is in here, so that's what it's. It smells amazing. It smells like mint. Right, so this is what I've got to do, sort out into there. I'm just going to crack on. I'm trying to pick up the big pieces, well, at least, yeah, the alpha grog first. Because it doesn't matter what order you do it in. And if any of you don't know why, like, you'd have this as filter, because basically, so this stuff is the, what do you call it? Okay, well this is the K1, and like you get tubes as well. That's what you'd call like biological filter. I think it's like the same as this, a biological filter, or well, Max calls it, says aerobic, kind of. But then the foam is mechanical because that's physically taken out stuff. And then another version of filtering would be with a UV light, which I don't have, but you don't need all three. You can just, you know, two's good enough. And you don't ever wash any of this because it's filled with all the good bacteria. So if you wash it, you're just getting rid of all of that, and it's basically then your pond cycle just has to start again. So. Right, so I think I might have enough of that in there. I'm just going to put a little bit more of the little stone in now, and then I'll move on to the K1, and I think some tubing as well. Yeah. I'll do it like this. Oh, there's the water. Got a spider on me. I don't mind little spiders, but I'd rather you not be on me. Oh, I'm getting so dirty. There we go. Right. So yeah, I'm going to put some K1 in now. room for more, so I will put some of the tubes in as well, I guess. The more the better, the more filtration the better. So right, so I think I'm doing this right. So I don't know whether to put the plant on top because that'll probably get root bound to the mat, but I don't know, we'll see, because I'm not sure how high the water's going to come yet, but we'll give it a try. Alright, this is a messy job. So I think I've done that right. The only thing obviously is we made this box, and where is it? We cut holes so it kind of came out like a trickling waterfall, but this one will just come out a straight, but we can always adapt that. But yeah, what we originally had was that this was running in to this section and then in here, but it wasn't obviously secure here, so we don't know if that caused the leaking. Then we put this one on top of this one, and then it still was leaking, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna have a look. I took this one off. No, I took the big one off, and then this one fell in the pond. So my poor fish. I need to sort the pond out as well, but I'm just trying to, lots of rocks fell in there, and obviously K1, but it needs the water topping up anyway and taking out some dead stuff, and yeah. But once I've got this filter back up and running, then we can do that. Right. It's a bit coffee. Get strong doing all these jobs. Go and turn the pump back on. It's annoying because it is in my living room, but because I haven't got no electrics outside yet, but I get to come say hello to these lot. I love this little dude. Hang on, let me turn you around. I just love him. He's so cute. Just love and life, happy days. Right, so I've turned that on. Let's go and see how's it working. It'll take a minute obviously to come through. So I still need to tidy up all this. Obviously I don't want all the pipes showing and stuff like that. But, so this is the pump I've got. I think it's an Aways. I think it does 1,500 litres. Is it litres? Yeah. Now, or I don't know I don't know what the thing is, but it's 1,500 anyway. Max actually drilled some more holes in it. The pond is getting so dirty. I keep asking him. We need to get a pond vacuum. Yeah, let's have a look. As you can see, like the water level, it keeps going down. So it's been stressing me out. I just want to get it sorted, even if it means doing it myself. Right, so the water's coming out. This is a filter sock, by the way. This catches all like the mud and rubbish, and it's only really just been put in, so I didn't bother cleaning it because we're redoing now the whole filter. We have lost some of the beneficial bacteria, so that's why I didn't wash everything. Well, I didn't wash anything really. I didn't even wash the box when I emptied it. Okay, so it's filling up. I hope I've done it right. I haven't got confirmation yet if I have or not. You have to be careful as well. Watch how high the water goes, because we noticed as well if it's going too high, it's going to come out of there probably. That needs sealing, you know, properly. But because well, we originally thought it was coming out here, and I think it is a bit, but it wasn't justifying how much water we was losing. And then when I put that little black box on top, when I put it on top, I could see all the water basically that wasn't going in the box, it was going on something else, and yeah. Okay, so I think this is the water level. I think that means I can turn the pump up a bit, which I'm going to do. It's always trial and error with your pump. Wow, these plants are growing, so these are lovely. They're spreading as well a lot. See, I need to take most. There's K1 just floating about. Poor fishies. Once I've finished, obviously, I'll feed them, and I don't know how to take this out. Oxygenating plants. Max said they're dying, but they don't look like they're dying, but he said it is the time or something, because his are dying, but I don't think mine are dying. I just think they're dirty. When you wash them, they're green again, but in the water they're brown. I'm going to turn the pump all the way up and just see what happens, because it used to be. The thing is, I've not struggled having the water has been clear. I mean, it's not now, obviously, because the thing fell in the pond and all sorts, but the water's been clear. It's just been really dirt, like string algae and dirt, I think, off the plants, and it's on the side of the pond liner as well. I would just rather it not be like that, because it doesn't look very nice. I know you're going to get some dirt and algae, but I need to buy some blanket weeds, pigment stuff. But yeah, I could do with a pond vacuum. Okay, so the pump's turned all the way up, and the water level has risen, obviously. I think I could just leave it like that, to be honest. I'll watch it for a few more minutes. So if you're confused, so obviously the water comes out the pump, runs through all this tubing, and then through here, through to the filter sock. Then it goes down. So what this is, this tube goes all the way to the bottom. Well, there's a gap at the bottom, so then the water comes up through, so it filters through all the, like the alpha grog, the K1, and then the matin. Or I don't know if it does that all the other way around, but anyway, but then it comes out and then out of there. Yeah, I think that's fine actually, because before it was overflowing. I think there was just too much stuff in here, like K1, but now I've done it differently. I think that will be fine. So I'm going to get the lid back on that, and then I don't know, tidy up a bit. It's getting late. Right, so now I need to just top the pond up. I can't really do any more until the morning, like getting all that alpha grog and showing out the bottom, because I can't see it. It's too dark and the water's too murky. So I've done my best. Let's just get this pond filled up because it's getting late. I'll use this tap safe. Nearly running out basically. I may as well just use it all. There's a tiny bit left. Right, so that's the best I can do tonight, so it's getting too dark. I've put that plant underneath there just so it kind of dulls the noise down a bit. But yeah, I suppose I'll give them a little bit of food just because I haven't fed them today. But I mean, they're probably all a bit shaken up, keep getting messed about with. They're all hiding, as you can see. And you can't see the bottom anymore, but hopefully in the morning, the next stage. Right, so I hope you enjoyed that little video. Obviously I've still got more to do, so I might film that tomorrow. Again, I'll just see how I feel. And I do apologise, it has been quite a while since I've posted. I just, like I say, haven't really been up for it. but I also don't want to feel pressure to. I don't want to. That's why I'm not making promises like, oh, you know, new video every Friday or something. I'm not doing that because I don't want to make it. You know, I already have so many commitments and jobs and responsibilities to do. So this is kind of just when I have the time and when I feel mentally able to do it as well. You know, because it is a lot. It takes longer than you think to film these videos because I constantly have Bonnie. I have to, you know, she's talking to me and I have to go and look after her, or, you know. So that's why it's already dark already. But yeah, so I'm filthy now after that. I think I'm going to go and have a nice bath and then order myself me and Bonnie a nice takeaway since it's my birthday. Yeah, I'm hoping that's kind of fixed the problem with the pond. We shall see in the morning if it's gone down anymore and if it's clearer or anything like that. So hopefully it's worked. I haven't tidied up my mess yet because it's cold and dark and I can do that tomorrow. So but yeah, so thank you for watching, guys. If you like this video, click the like button. Leave a comment down below as well if you want to, and I'd appreciate if you subscribed. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you in another video. Bye.